Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, quick update. I just put up a nice video of some of the properties still in Santa Dominica, Talao, and the surrounding area. But I've been giving you teasers about Molise, specifically a little town called Mafalda. Now, I have been in contact with Fabio, and I'm going to introduce him on this video. In fact, he's going to introduce himself because he sent me a real nice video. And stay tuned. After the introduction, I attach pictures of the area. It's absolutely stunning. The town is gorgeous. There's a history in Mafalda, and I think you're going to love, love, love these properties. So stay tuned.
Hey, good morning. How are you? So I am Fabio. I am an engineer here in Molise, in the little town. My town is Mafalda. I am born and I live here and I work. And I hope, and I have so many houses to sell, different price and different view and different everything. So my town is named Mafalda. The beautiful things is Mafalda name is a princess name. This princess name murdered in the camp during the Second War. And the strange things, the husband brought her there. And she murdered there, and the mayor house changed the name for this town from Ripalda with R to Mafalda. So I hope we see you soon, and I wait you guys. Ciao!